At an elevation where the air itself starves the lungs, mankind dared to build the impossible. Welcome to Tanggula Pass, the roof of the world. In 2001, an ambitious vision was set into motion.
To connect Jining to Lhasa, a steel artery had to pierce through the most unforgiving terrain on Earth.
But the mountain would not surrender easily. The first obstacle was the atmosphere itself.
At this extreme altitude, oxygen levels dropped to a perilous 50%.
The second and deadliest obstacle, permafrost.
A frozen foundation that turns to unstable mud when thawed. Build a traditional railway here, and the heat from the trains would melt the ground, swallowing the tracks whole.
The solution required engineering that had never been tested at this scale.
Moving massive amounts of steel and concrete to a remote, isolated plateau was a logistical nightmare. Every piece of machinery had to be hauled across thousands of kilometers of dangerous roads.
A temporary city of steel and canvas arose in the wasteland. Powering the machinery required specialized engines, modified to combust in the thin air.
The clock was ticking. They had a massive budget of 26 billion yuan, but limited workable months.
The first phase of construction, securing the foundation. Drilling into permafrost is like drilling into solid steel.
The harsh weather punished the crews relentlessly. Exhaustion came quickly. Survival required strict medical oversight. To prevent the friction of the drills from melting the ice, special cooling agents were injected.
Elevated tracks were designed to keep the heat of the trains away from the fragile ground.
Every concrete pillar required a skeleton of high-grade steel.
Working in sub-zero temperatures, every weld had to be flawless. The concrete mix was specially formulated to cure in extreme cold without cracking.
Slowly, the elevated skeleton of the railway began to take shape.
But the pillars alone were not enough to stop the permafrost from melting.
They deployed tens of thousands of passive cooling sticks along the route. A masterpiece of thermal engineering, turning the freezing wind into an ally.
With the foundation secure, it was time to lay the steel path.
The track-laying machine was a factory on wheels.
Precision automation met brute industrial force.
The rails were continuously welded to ensure a smooth ride at high speeds. But nature was a relentless adversary.
Seamless steel, stretching across the desolate plateau.
Operations could not halt. The timeline was absolute.
As they climbed higher, the air grew dangerously thin. Inch by inch, the steel line crawled closer to the Tanggula Pass. Altitude sickness was a constant threat, forcing strict rotations.
Finally, the tracks reached the summit, 5,068 meters.
Here, at the apex of the world, they would build the highest railway station in human history.
It was designed as a critical operational hub and emergency stopping point.
Tanggula Station was not designed for casual tourists.
3 parallel tracks were installed to allow passing and staging.
A massive platform was built, stretching over a kilometer in length.
Thousands of tons of crushed stone ballast were poured to stabilize the station's track bed.
Heavy tamping machines locked the geometry of the tracks into place. The station building itself was designed to withstand hurricane-force winds and brutal snow loads.
Heavily insulated panels were installed to protect the sensitive signaling equipment inside.
Tanggula would operate mostly unstaffed, requiring state-of-the-art remote monitoring. Every rail switch and signal was automated and heated to prevent freezing. They were standing higher than the legendary Galera station in Peru.
An outpost of modern technology in an untamed wilderness.
Over 960 kilometers of the entire line sat above 4,000 meters.
The physical connection was finally complete.
But completion of the track was only the beginning of the testing phase. Every millimeter of steel was scanned for structural perfection.
The equipment had to prove it could survive the extreme Tibetan winter. On July 1, 2006, history was made.
The inaugural train pierced the high-altitude silence.
Thousands of tons of steel gliding effortlessly over the permafrost.
A true triumph of modern engineering. Tanggula Station, 5,068 meters, the crown jewel of the Sky Road.
Driven by men who pushed their bodies to the absolute limit. It took years of brutal labor and unmatched ingenuity. Because the air is so thin, passengers cannot step onto this platform. It remains a silent, operational fortress in the snow.
A monument to the power of human will against the forces of nature.
Even in the dead of night, the station monitors the health of the railway. Beneath the surface, the thermosiphons stand guard against the thaw.
Serving not just passengers, but the vital flow of heavy freight. Fully automated. Fully integrated.
A permanent fixture on the roof of the world. Built to endure. Built to last. Equipped for any emergency the extreme environment can throw at it. Maintenance never stops. The line must be protected. The Qinghai Tibet Line, the world's greatest modern railway engineering project. The Iron Dragon of the Plateau. Every millimeter was calculated to combat the extreme elements. The canopy shields the automated signals from devastating ice storms.
Power generation up here requires customized redundancy systems.
No joints, no weak points. Seamless steel for an unbreakable journey. Dwarfed by nature, yet conquering the landscape.
Constant data streams feed real-time weather conditions to approaching trains.
The battle against the snow is a daily operation. The strength of the entire system relies on the smallest of components. An environment where only the strongest materials survive. A testament to the brilliance of modern construction.
120 kilometers per hour across the frozen tundra.
Engineered to minimize environmental impact on the pristine plateau.
Advanced dampening systems ensure a flawless passenger experience. Constant vigilance. The ice beneath must never wake. A $3.7 billion masterpiece.
Guarded by passive thermal technology. Forged in the crucible of extreme altitude. A station built not for crowds, but for survival. Built upon a foundation of sheer industrial willpower.
The Sky Road is open.
Precision stopping power on the steepest grades. Tannirai Sudakavam. Thermal isolation functioning perfectly.
A lifelong dream of a nation, finally realized. Flawless automation at 5,000 meters. The culmination of decades of research and planning. Conquering the impossible, one sleeper at a time.
The highest pressurized train cabins in the world.
Orchestrating the flow of thousands of tons of steel with digital precision. Unstoppable momentum.
A permanent scar of progress on the face of the mountain.
Maintained by the bravest crews in the railway industry.
Operating blind in the harshest weather conditions on Earth.
Breaking through the barriers of geography. Raw mechanical power.
Leaving the apex of the world behind.
Tanggula Station. A triumph of factory and field engineering. An investment of 26 billion yuan. Reaching 5,068 meters into the sky. The undisputed highest railway station on the planet. This is the next-gen production line. Building the impossible.